Call what you get. Hey, I got X-Acto blades, 100 pack. I'll leave a link to all this stuff in this video. You know, X-Acto is made in the U.S. I spent a lot more for these blades than the cheap blades, but I'm hoping they're better quality. Just how it is, right? Made in the good old U.S. of A, right? That's where they're made. Georgia somewhere. Got that. Got some WEN 123 blocks because hey, Dennis said you can never have enough 123 blocks. So alls I have is 4. That should be enough, right, Dennis? And then I wanted to get a better X-Acto knife, so I picked up this awesome Excel finger tight. I like it. Pink is cool. I love pink. And hold on. Feels good in my hand. It's nice. I like it. Feels nice. Got this little nice guard. Like the problem with this is it keeps loosening up on me because you tighten it up right here. Right? You tighten it up here. And it always loosens up. This you tighten up in the back. And I think you get more purchase on this gnarled grip and it's just a lot nicer. So that's what I got. Put a link in the video description for all these things if you want to go pick them up for yourself. It helps my channel out a little bit. I get a couple cents from my Amazon sales. I really appreciate you if you use the link. Hey, if there's something that you want and you don't have a link, email me, message me, and I'll send you a link. I appreciate you all. Have a great day. Be blessed. Be well. And keep warm.